Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and I thought today I would just have a little bit of an update with you on my MosaiCraft journey. So I'm going to work on this and then we will get back together and I will chat to you about my thoughts so far. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so this is the first plate all completed. I'm really pleased. Obviously this is what the whole image is going to look like when completed, but now we can move this one aside and start a whole new plate for the second half. So I've got that in here. Here's my second plate and my second bunch of instructions, which I had separated out so I didn't get confused. Also in here we've got our little tabs that will join the two plates together once they are completed. Let's move this out of the way. So that one is all done. And the other thing, as I mentioned in the original unboxing and in my previous MosaiCraft, these plates, I don't know if you can see that, they have got an arrow on them. You might be able to just see it there, just sort of embossed in there. There you go, you can see it better from that side. That needs to be always the same way round. It doesn't really matter what way round, as long as it's always the same way round. So on this one, you can see from the back, it's always pointed that way. And so I'm going to carry on. We're going to keep things the same, and I'm going to have that one that way. So we have got base plate 2, instructions. Here we go. Get this one set up, and then it's just more of the same, really. I am still loving the fact that we are doing only 4 colours at a time. There's far less confusion that way, and it just keeps things nice and simple. If you do get a kit, I highly recommend getting the magnetic board or cobbling something together that does the same job, because that is brilliant at just holding that in place and making sure that it doesn't move around. If you have an alternative solution, do let me know. I'm always open to ideas, but let's just tip that up so you're not getting the light on it. There you go. So that's where we're going to go from here, and that's how it's going to be when it's put together. So we can see that this is going to be the bottom part of that jaw. We've got some highlights on the nose. Yeah, highlights on the nose coming down, and then I think this bit here is going to be part of that leg. We will see when it all comes together, but I'm very excited to get started on the second base plate, and I will of course keep you updated with all of my progress. I will pop links to my original unboxing of this and my other MosaiCraft videos in a playlist at the end so that you can check them out. And do remember that if you're going to purchase from MosaiCraft, you can always contact them via email and get a little discount by mentioning me and my channel. Details about all of that down in the description as well. Thank you to everybody that supports me over on Patreon and here as channel members. You guys are the absolute best, and if anyone wants to join them, it is from just 99p per month. Details down below. Until next time, stay crafty.